Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. So today we're gonna do a little clean aesthetic makeup look. We're gonna be a clean girl, clean aesthetics, which, you know, since my skin has been doing so well, I feel like it's such a great idea. I'm gonna look like this from this to this, and it's gonna be amazing. I already have the hair slicked back, nothing is in my face, everything is placed properly, and then we go to the clothing, which I think that clothing, it really depends on your style. It could be something neutral, white, or, you know, like this is kind of like a knit, and it was super comfortable. As long as you are super comfortable in what you're wearing, I feel like it's just a great choice overall. So going to the accessories, because obviously I do not have any accessories whatsoever on myself. Depending on your skin tone, the clean girl aesthetic look that we've been seeing online is more of like a gold tone look. So if you're like more cool tone, I would just tell you to just put silver jewelry and you can like twist the clean girl look to your skin tone. So me, both of them, silver and gold, fit well with me. Since I have a lot of gold rings, I'm gonna go with gold today, as always. Now we have so many jewelry, so many accessories. We got the clothing down, the hair down, and then it's time to go to the face, which the face, usually as a clean aesthetic girl makeup look, it's just very simple. It's very dewy, it's very nice. You want a very minimalistic look, the least amount of product possible. So I'm gonna be wearing only cream products, and I might just set it up with a very natural powder on top of it. We're gonna start with this MAC Studio Tech Cream to Powder Foundation, and I'm gonna apply just a little bit all over to help cover up my acne and all of these stuff. So it's in the color NC13, this one. I'm dab it into it, and then I'll just put a little bit all over to cancel out the redness. But this is gonna be like a nice glowiness. And what I like about this foundation is that it doesn't move. So even though you're wearing it all day long, you're gonna look great all day long. Then I'm gonna take a little concealer to really brighten up the areas that I want. Nothing too crazy. Since it's a clean girl look, we're just gonna go and spot highlight on the places that I want. So here, and this time I want to do my eyebrows at the end to make sure that everything else is done and nice, so then I can really shape my eyebrows with the rest of my face. And I know it's crazy, usually I do the eyebrows first, but today I wanted to do things differently. This Merit Beauty, there is two shades that I want to mix together. It is the Cheeky and Terracotta shades, and this one is like an orangey beautiful shade, and this one is kind of like a berry shade. We're gonna go towards the neutral with both of these shades. And then I have this beautiful highlighter stick. This is from Anastasia Beverly Hills in the shade Pink Diamond, and this one I'm gonna go with my fingers just to add a little bit of brightness on my face before we move on to setting the entire face. I'm gonna take a powder that is super natural, and it is the Light Plus Mineralized Skin Finish Natural from MAC Cosmetics. This one is just so fun, and it's gonna make sure that not everything gets, you know, matte. It looks absolutely much better. It is incredible what a little powder can do, and the dewiness is still coming through. All right, so eyebrow time. We don't want to put too much in our eyebrows. It still has to stay natural, which my eyebrows are pretty full. This is my favorite eyebrow. This is my ugly eyebrows. They are like distant cousins for sure, 100%. So I'm just gonna put this beautiful, this is the Stylized Eyebrow Styler. I'm just gonna slightly add some color in my eyebrows, which, you know, like it does a small difference, which I feel like my face is now so much more structured, so much more beautiful, but that's just me, right? To set everything up, I'm gonna use the Anastasia Beverly Hills Brow Freeze, which I haven't gone into a while, except when I have really annoying flyaways, I make sure to take this and I put it a little bit in my hair, and it just stays there so well. So multi-purpose, girl, we love a product that is multi-purpose. That looks so much more lifted than it was before. It is crazy. No choice but to put it matte under my eyes and on top of my eyes. So anyways, that looks a little bit better, I think. I feel like it looks better. I'm gonna continue setting my face with a little bit of powder just to make sure that everything is nice, blended, cute. We're getting there. So I'm gonna go with this beautiful blush from MAC Cosmetics. This is the Mineralized Blush, and it's in the shade Gentle. The reason why I'm using this one is because it is a mineral powder, so it's gonna be more fine, and it's gonna look more blended with the rest and super natural, since there's like a glowiness to it. And then for the bronzer and the highlight, I'm gonna go with this Hourglass little palette. This is the highlight palette, which there is kind of like a bronzy shade right here, and I absolutely love the finish of it. This palette is my favorite. I've been using it literally every day. I don't want it to run out. It's so expensive too, but it's totally worth it. And the highlight, oh, this one's so pretty, I swear. Oh my god, there is the lashes. Oh, I would love to put some false lashes, but the clean girl look doesn't have false lashes. But I might put some later because I might feel like my eyelashes might feel naked. I don't know, you guys. But we're gonna put a mascara for now. One that I remember liking was the Anastasia Beverly Hills Lash Brag. This was the Lash Brag, and I remember liking it so much, especially the effect and how it just lays on the lashes. It was just pretty. And the Merit Beauty little mascara. Is it Merit Cosmetics or Merit Beauty? I don't know if it's cosmetics or beauty, but it's a beauty brand. So after mixing multiple mascaras, I think we got there. It's never gonna replace my false lashes, to be honest. It is time for the lips. It's kind of bare right now, so we're gonna start with this Prep Plus Prime lip primer. It's very important to prime your lips to make sure that it stays on all day, because we're gonna go towards the lip oils today, which we never do. Oh my god, so different. This is the lip pencil that is the closest to my lip shade, which this one I really, really love. So we're just gonna line the lips. I'm gonna overline my lips just a little bit, but only where the cupid's bow are and at the bottom here, to make it look as natural as possible. For the final touch, we're gonna go with this Merit Beauty lip oil in the shade Taupe. So this one is super cute, and I feel like it fits exactly with the aesthetics. So I'm gonna just apply this one. This is the makeup look for the clean girl aesthetics makeup look, and it looks absolutely gorgeous. I am in love, but there's still one thing missing. It is to smell clean as well. So I'm gonna go into my Jo Malone perfumes that I have right here, and I have one in particular that I'm gonna come up with a review soon, but I'm just telling you guys, it is so delicious and so unique. I just love it so much. So I'm gonna be wearing today the Wild Bluebell from Jo Malone. Then we're gonna spray it on ourselves. Oh, this smells so good. I swear, this one smells so good. All right, you guys, so this is the final look of today. So clean girl makeup look, clean girl aesthetics. I wanted to wear as well something more, I would say neutral, but I think if I did, I would have been kind of blending with the background, because I have something very beige and very cute, like very light, and I absolutely love this dress, but it was a little bit too light, so I would be like disappearing in the background probably. So because everything is white. But anyways, I really hope that you enjoyed this video and this little, cute moment of applying the makeup, applying the jewelry, everything, and we're just gonna be clean and feel ourselves very minimalistic and cute. So thank you so much, guys, for watching. If you did like the video, make sure to like the video, comment down below, and also subscribe to my channel for a whole lot of content every single week on a beauty, lifestyle, reviews, and more. So thank you so much, guys, for watching. I love you guys so much, and I will definitely see you in the next one. Bye, guys!